Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 7 common Bitcoin scams. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. 1. Ponzi schemes. In this kind of scam, someone gives you a deal to invest your money. In exchange for giving them money or Bitcoins, you will get a big return on your investment. Sometimes these scams are very complicated, and until you try to cash out, you can even watch your account grow. When you don't get the money, you will know it was a scam. 2. IRS scam. This scam works the same way as most others involving the IRS. You get a call from someone who sounds like they work for the IRS and says you owe a lot of money. They tell you to buy Bitcoins from a certain website and pay them with the Bitcoin. In reality, you are not buying Bitcoins and you can't really pay your IRS bill with Bitcoins. They are instead taking your money. 3. Switch scam. In the scam, they want to use your Bitcoins to buy their new cryptocurrency, which doesn't even exist. They say it's better than Bitcoin and will make more money overnight. They might even have papers that look like proof, but everything is made up. 4. Malware. You find a fake website that makes you think you are buying Bitcoins, but you are not. You are just giving your computer malware that will mine it for Bitcoin units, which will mess up your computer. You will also give them real money. 5. The celebrity scam. If you are online and see a celebrity offering free Bitcoins or a good deal on Bitcoins, it's a scam. No one will give away extra Bitcoins because it makes no sense. You know, it's not true if Tom Cruise says they want to give you Bitcoins for a low price. 6. Ransomware attacks. This is a common way to get money. If someone takes over your computer and tells you that you have to pay them in Bitcoins to get it back, this is a common way to get money. It's a scam, but it's a scam that's easy to fall for. If you can't get into your computer, you might be tempted to pay for a key. Please don't do it. 7. Fake wallets. If you want to know if a wallet is real, you should ask around on social media. Install the right antivirus software on your computer to stop malware from getting on it. Use a good wallet app on your own computer so that you can have more than one wallet and avoid problems if one is lost or stolen. To stay away from scams, it's best to find someone you trust who already knows a lot about Bitcoin. They can help you avoid the problem by being your mentor or guide. Because if something goes wrong, no one can help you or give you your money back. You just run out of cash, by the way. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video. Leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.